We are going out of the resort. It's extremely windy here. So we have made a mistake. Hello guys, good morning. So this is my first vlog and first big ride. Myself and my brother, we are going on a 5-day trip. Today is Sunday, so we'll be returning on Thursday or Friday probably. Our plan is a bit tentative. We are going to Chikmagalur, Western Ghats. Go around Chikmagalur for a couple of days. Then we are going to Udupi from there for a couple of days. And then while returning, we might probably come via Coorg to Mysore. This is Dasara period, so this week is Dasara. So I'm expecting some traffic on the highway and the places where we visit. Let's see how it goes. So while coming back, I will try to go to Mysore and probably view the lights within the city. And my parents live there, so we'll be there at my parents' home and return back on Friday. So that's the tentative plan. We'll see how it goes. So now it's 7:50 in the morning. We are running about an hour late. We are planning to start by 6:50. So it's 7:50. Since this is our first big ride after I bought this bike, so it took some time to fix the luggage and everything. Most of the things that I have is new, so I'm using it for the first time, so it took some time. Anyway, that's my brother riding in front of me on his Dominar. So we are on Kanakpura road now. We'll take the nice road, then Tumkur highway, then Mangalore highway, and then we'll reach Chikmagalur. So we'll do a quick pit stop for fuel around nice road, fuel up, and then we'll start. So we'll see. I'll keep you all posted how it goes. I'm on nice road now. Our trip has officially started. It's a 5-day trip. Today we will go to Chikmagalur. We will try to reach by 3 p.m. and then we'll check into our hotel, and then we will see where we can go for the sunset. We are about to exit the nice road onto Tumkur road. We did about 25 kilometers from entry to exit. As we can see, traffic is reasonably heavy, probably due to the Dasara weekend. So we'll exit the nice road now, and we'll hit the Tumkur highway for a bit, and then we'll need to make an exit to Mangalore highway, and then off to Chikmagalur. Now we are entering Tumkur highway. This is the same road that goes up to Pune. I don't know the national highway number. Long back I think it was NH4. Not sure about it now. Traffic seems quite high. Let's see. So Plan is to go up to Nagamangala and then we'll stop on Nagamangala MTR. It's a good place. We had been there for a breakfast right some time back, so we'll do a pit stop there. It's about 80 kilometers from here. Google Maps says an hour and 10 minutes. So we'll not go fast. We'll ride within the speed limits. We'll not take any unnecessary risks. So drive safe is the motto. I'm talking about drive safe and then people coming on wrong side. That's the biggest irritant for me. Okay, so from here we'll need to ride for about 10 kilometers, then take a left to Mangalore Highway. So Mangalore Highway is NH 75, and from there on the same road goes up to Chikmagalur. We are entering the Mangalore Highway now. Then it will be a highway run from here, but we do have some scenic coconut plantations on this route. So, dumb fellow, I don't know what to say to these guys. Anyway, I see a SD, Java SD. Okay, we are entering toll number 1. We'll keep a count how many tolls we'll hit. Okay, so it is all free of cost for us bikers. One good thing. This is Nelmangala Devi Halli Expressway Private Limited. Okay. The SD bike is still telling me. I love the engine sound that it makes. I think it is RD350. Let's see. Let's tail it for a bit. Have a look. RD350. This is Swati Delicacy I was talking about. It's a good place. And towards the left you see Halimane. That is owned by Sudeep, the famous Kannada actor. So here we are in MTR. We have been here before as well for a breakfast, right? So you have a decent place to park the bike. Washrooms are clean. You can keep an eye on your bike from the place where you can sit and eat. So it's good. Good place. So we'll have a quick pit stop here, grab some breakfast and then head towards Chikmagalur. I'll keep you posted with the plan. So we did 114 kilometers, 1.5 hours, not so bad. Bike is giving around 27 kilometers mileage. Okay, so we are done with the breakfast. Bye bye to MTR. We are planning the next stop after Hassan. We found some hotel, some restaurant to which we have pinned the map. 1.5 hours, 97 kilometers. I think that would be a decent distance to cover before taking next stop. Seeing a slight drizzle here. Toll booth number 3. Surprisingly, not even 20 kilometers between the toll booths we saw previously and this one. So, not sure why. I guess we are crossing the 3rd toll today on this highway. Skies are clear, so no rain Whatever drizzle we saw a few minutes back, it's not there anymore. We are in Hassan bypass. Took a quick deviation. There was a short drizzle back, but then again it's sunny. So weather is unpredictable. Let's see, we are about 18 kilometers away from our stop number 2. We have done nearly 200 kilometers for the day, 195.7 to be precise, in 2 hours 30 minutes of ride. I think we stopped for around 45 to 50 minutes for the breakfast. It's 11:40 now. Let's see how soon we'll reach Chikmagalur. I think after our next pit stop, we should be able to make it to Chikmagalur without any stops. So let's see. Oops, big pothole. This is the first big ride I'm doing after the E20 compulsion, and I clearly see a drop in mileage. Right? I'm getting 26 kilometers per liter now, and I remember on this route with a similar pace. With a similar pace, I used to get 28, 29. So my brother did not stop. Let's see, he'll turn around. We'll wait for him to come back. Let me go bring him. Okay, he's turning. Okay, right about there is a decent parking place for two-wheelers. That's good. But people haven't parked decently. I don't know why they left so much space between bikes. Yeah, anyway, big bike, so that's okay. I think we'll leave our luggage and go. Windmill looks good. ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೆತ್ತಿತ್ತು ದೂಕೇನುಂಟು ರೈಟಕ್ಕೆ. We are just starting from our pit stop 2. Now for our end destination it's 52 kilometers, 1 hour 14 minutes. So the road definitely won't be as good as the Bangalore highway. Seems like a single road, but weather is very pleasant. I'm sure it will be a quick 1 hour 15 minutes ride for us. Let's see, we'll enjoy the scenery around. We'll go a bit slow because it's a single road, and you know you can never just car or buses. They may come on us. Keep an eye, be careful. As always, we'll ride safe. We'll do defensive riding. Nice tiny lake, looks good. These windmills are looking really nice. Route is very, very scenic, no doubt about it. Okay, we are still on the way, about 23 kilometers to our destination. Although it's a single road, scenery is quite beautiful. If you can see, you know what this is, what crop it is. We hardly don't know. You can see a range of hills far away. It's a countryside road, quite good. We are able to maintain speeds between 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. As it's a single road, we are being a bit careful. But all in all, it's a pleasant experience. We are liking it. Good old truck from Pune, MH12. Sringeri 98, Hornado 102, Kuzemka 118, Kemmangundi 73. Our place 17 kilometers. Just look good. It's still a single road. We've got the mountain ranges here. So beautiful. Very nice. I hope GoPro is able to do the justice. I see one misty mountain there. Quite good. We reached our beautiful resort around 2 p.m. and the views were absolutely amazing. The place was so peaceful that even in the afternoon you could hear the soft sound of cricket. After the quick break, we headed out towards Chikkmagaluru Lake, hoping to catch the sun, but the sun was nowhere to be seen today. Maybe we'll get lucky tomorrow. Let's see. We are ending our day with the famous Chikkmagaluru coffee, and trust me, it tasted like heaven after such a long ride. Tomorrow's route is one of the best of this entire trip, so don't forget to follow and keep an eye out for the next video. Bye bye for now.